A federal high court in Abuja has dismissed a certificate forgery suit filed by the Action Alliance against Bola Ahmed Tinubu, presidential candidate of the All Progressives Congress. Hi, welcome to What's Happening. These are the top 10 stories. At number 1, a federal high court in Abuja on Tuesday dismissed a certificate forgery suit filed by the Action Alliance against Bola Ahmed Tinubu, presidential candidate of the All Progressives Congress. The AA had sought declaration that the information on Tinubu's INEC form CF1, wherein he claims to have been awarded a Bachelor of Science degree in economics by the University of Chicago, is a forged certificate. In a statement said that the plaintiff lacked local standing to file the suit. He also held that the AA acted like a busybody, having interfered in the internal affairs of another party. He consequently dismissed the suit for constituting an abuse of the court process. At number 2, the House of Representatives has called on the Nigerian National Petroleum Company Limited to ensure adequate supply of premium motor spirit, popularly called petrol, within 7 days. At the plenary on Tuesday, the House also called on the Nigerian Midstream Downstream Petroleum Regulatory Commission to seek collaboration of the Nigerian Police Force and the DSS to ensure that fuel is sold at the regulated price and in all retail outlets. The House further mandated its committees on petroleum resources downstream and legislative compliance to ensure compliance with the resolution. At number 3, following the absence of Senator Obasani, the chairman of the Committee on Banking and Finance, the Senate has postponed its debate on the new Central Bank of Nigeria cash withdrawal policy till 14th December 2022. Senator Olubunmi Adetumbi, a member of the committee, in a point of order on Tuesday, explained that the report which was to be presented at the plenary had to be withheld because Sani is away for the All Progressives Congress rally in Kaduna. The Senate President Ahmad Lawan, in his response, urged lawmakers to be patient as the findings of the committee will be unveiled within 24 hours. Senator Oba is also expected to give details on the outcome of the screening of Edward Adamu and Aisha Ahmed as deputy governors of the CBN. At number 4, youths under the aegis of the Honor Youth Council on Tuesday staged a peaceful protest at the Chevron Shore Logistic Base located in the Honor Oil and Gas Free Zone, Rivers State, over the planned closure of the base. President of the Youth Council, Tobiya Tete, who led the peaceful protest, said their visit to the shore base was to submit a letter of appeal to the Chevron management to reconsider the decision to relocate its logistics support base from Honor in order not to throw the community and Rivers State into economic hardship. The protesting youths were received at the Chevron Logistics Shore Base by the Facility Security Officer, Mr. Asu, who promised to convey their letter and request to the Chevron management. At number 5, the National Emergency Management Agency has received 105 Nigerians stranded from Chad at the Malam Aminu Kano International Airport in Kano State. Nuruddin Abdullahi, NIMA Coordinator, Kano Territorial Office, made this known while receiving the returnees in Kano. The returnees were brought back to Kano under the care of the International Organization for Migration from Jamina through a voluntary repatriation program. Ms. Abdullahi said that the returnees were made up of 24 male adults, 23 female adults, and 58 children. At number 6, Governor Charles Soludo has signed the 2023 appropriation bill into law and promised to make Anambra roads motorable. Mr. Soludo at the Governor's Lodge, Oka, on Tuesday said the budget was based on 5 pillars: security, law and order, economic transformation, social agenda, human capital development, and transformation of government works and environment. He added that he had met with local government chairmen on the condition of state roads and made funds available for palliative work on them. At number 7, the Oyo State High Court will begin Christmas recess on December 23rd and end on January 4th, 2023. The state's Chief Judge, Munta Abimbola, gave the dates in a statement on Tuesday in Ibadan. According to him, civil actions will be heard when such actions are urgent or a judge at the request of all parties concerned agrees to hear such actions. At number 8, the Inspector General of Police, IGP Usman Alkali Baba, has engaged in tactical meetings and conferences with various stakeholders to build solid standard operating procedure and strategic communication action plan geared towards having a seamless electoral process for the 2023 general elections. In a press release signed by the Force Public Relations Officer, CSP Olumuyiwa Adechobi, on Tuesday, The IGP emphasized the need to enhance actionable intelligence gathering and sharing, coordinated operations, and adequate deployment of personnel and resources by all relevant security agencies in the election process. At number 9, federal government has announced that Nigerians with expired passports in diaspora can be admitted into the country without visas. Nigerian Immigration Service made the announcement in a letter addressed to all heads of missions, airlines, immigration attaches, and airports comptroller. The Comptroller General of Immigration, Jerry Idris, also noted that the expired Nigerian passports must be checked to ensure they were truly from Nigeria. At number 10, the Federal Capital Territory Police Command has deployed personnel and material resources in their thousands across the nooks and crannies of the nation's capital city ahead of the yearly anticipated festivities. Police spokesperson Josephine Ade, who revealed this in a statement, said that the deployment, which consists of all intelligence and tactical assets at the command's disposal and interagency collaboration, is occasioned by the need to ensure that crime and criminality in all forms are promptly managed. That's all for today. See you next time on What's Happening.